It is monsoon season in many parts of the world. Monsoon seems exciting but comes with many infections like cold, cough, flu, and many more. This is a perfect monsoon tea which helps to fight infections and boosts immunity. Into a saucepan, add water, basil leaves, turmeric root, 2-inch grated. You can also use normal turmeric powder, 1-inch ginger grated, and boil the water till the water reduces to half. After it cools down, strain the water and add honey and drink it. This drink is perfect for mornings or evenings. Once you drink this, you will feel refreshed and rejuvenated. Try this drink and fight from all the infections.